Oh, this is unusual because the camera is so far away from me and I really can't see it at all. TV's over here and my camera is over there, so let's hope this works. Hey guys, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel, Hello Sparkles. Yeah, I skipped a week. We'll just jump right on into that. I skipped a week. I did not mean to. It's because things kind of got piled on me at the last minute. I was working on opening up my shop. People had gotten excited about my bat handle pulls, drawer pulls, or whatever. I'll put a little picture in here, a little clip in here of what they look like. If you want to go buy them, please do. I've been trying to get some more into my shop because of the weather. They're hard to make right now. So here's a video of me pouring some bats and some, I'm gonna call them Galaxy bat handles. They don't really look like Galaxy though. They're just black with like, it's called platinum glitter, I think. I don't know, but the glitter's really freaking pretty. So enjoy me making those. I hope you do.
So I've actually already painted the inside of that mold.
I'm really not meaning to skip a week. I'm very sorry about that. And I also hope I'm in focus. I'm going to be very upset if I'm not because I can't see from here. I need to figure out shooting things. I'm hoping this lighting is a lot better because I've got all the lights on and they're directed right at my face. So that's a lot of fun too because it's kind of blinding. I hope you guys had a great last week. I also hope that you guys continue watching and enjoying all these lovely things. I really wanted to make a Mrs. Maisel video. I really wanted to go into doing like a review and craft or like a react and craft to some of the what's it called? The trailers for when the new show came out. It just came out last Friday, so I kind of missed the boat on that. But if you guys are still interested, I was wondering if I could do like maybe a react to the first episode of the new season, or if you haven't seen Mrs. Maisel, maybe do a my reaction to Mrs. Maisel like season 1 or something like that, or maybe like do a series on it. I really love Mrs. Maisel. I think it's hilarious. I love the whole show. Though this new season, I'm going to say there's a hair flying around. Sorry, I got distracted. This new season, though, I'm going to say it is filmed very differently, and I don't know if it's because they took so long off to film, or if it's a different director. But I know Amy Palladino, I can't ever say her name. I can't ever say her name right. I don't remember her full name either, so that's also a problem. But it's the same person that made Gilmore Girls. She wrote and directed a lot of it, her and her husband did. And I thought that they did this too, but I didn't look at the director this time. Maybe it is somebody different. Maybe that is why it's got a different feel to it. But I'm pretty sure it's still her. I don't know. I need to look. I will look and post it here if yes or no it's not. Anyway, Theo's really wanting attention right now. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I know it wasn't much of anything, and Theo's still really wanting attention. Yes, you are. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I know it's like not really a whole lot, but it's just me pouring. I thought it would be kind of cool to watch me work on some bats. I'm not done with the one with the key in there. I'm not exactly sure I wanted to do. Kind of wanted to get some cogwheels maybe and work on that and see if I can make it kind of vintage looking, or I don't know, that steampunk. And you're just blocking my face. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. He's so cute. Anyway, so I will post that on my Instagram when I'm done. I had to kind of push him to the floor. I feel bad, but not really, because he loves to be in my face. Anyway, I will post that bat on my Instagram when I'm done with it, so you guys can see it there. So follow me on my Instagram at Hello.Sparkles. It's the same as my TikTok, Hello.Sparkles. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you haven't already, and like this video because it makes me oh so happy. Comment down below what you would like to see next from me, craft wise, or anything else really, I guess, like video wise. And yeah, I hope you subscribe and become a sparkly people of the interwebs, or internets as I sometimes say because I misspeak a lot. Interwebs, sparkly people of the interwebs, and I hope you also have a great and wonderful day. So long. Bye.